everyone! Welcome back to another episode of Chito Cooks. So today, magluluto tayo ng adobo sa gata. Sobrang dali lang ng ingredients natin. This time, kakailanganin lang natin ng chicken of course, and then paminta, bawang, toyo, suka, dahon ng laurel, gata, asin, and a little bit of cooking oil. So, i-marinate lang natin siya for 15 minutes. And then after that, tsaka natin lulutuin. There, so nagpainit na ako ng mantika sa kawali. So, igigisa lang natin yung ating bawang. And then, kapag medyo golden brown na siya, or slightly brown rather, tsaka natin papatuyuan yung chicken together with the marinated sauce. So, ayan, pag slightly brown na siya, as I've mentioned, papatuyuan natin yung chicken. So, hintayin lang natin siya at least matuyo ng very light. Tsaka natin siya dadagdagan ng suka. Mga 2 to 3 minutes siguro. Tsaka kayo magdagdag ng suka. Tapos, pag nagdagdag kayo ng suka, hayaan nyo lang siya. Huwag nyo siyang haluin for another 2 to 3 minutes. Let it simmer there. And then, after another 2 to 3 minutes, then, tsaka nyo siya haluin. Habang hinihintay, i-click nyo na yung subscribe button and the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload ko pa soon. There you have it. So, after 2 to 3 minutes nga, halu-haluin nyo na siya. And then, tsaka nyo siya dagdagan ng gata. And then, hayaan nyo lang kumulo yung gata for another 10 minutes. Tapos after that, tsaka nyo tikman kung kailangan nyo pang dagdagan ng asin. While waiting, shoutout time. Shoutout nga pala sa mga friends ko sa Bulacan. Paolo, Jen, Jet. Regards to Mia and Pio. I miss you all. See you soonest. I would also like to thank Bikekang and friends for all the support that you've been giving me. Thank you so much. And also to my Facebook friends, thank you guys. Love. And for those who haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so by clicking the subscribe button and the notification bell for more updates. Thank you. So after 10 minutes, ayan, magdadagdag na ako ng konting salt. And then after this, pakuluin nyo lang siya for another 2 to 3 minutes. Tapos, pwede na itong i-serve. Ganun lang siya kadali mga besh. Diba? So there you have it. Ito na po ang aking version ng adobo sa gata. Pwede rin kayo mag-add ng ceiling green just to top it up. Pero optional lang naman yun. Pwede rin namang wala kasi ito pa lang sobrang solved na. Anyway, I hope you've learned something from this video. I'll see you again on my next vlog. Bye! Keep safe and stay awesome!